This is Rupa Mudaliar from Angel Paradise English Medium School. Today we will see chapter number 2, What is Around Us, from Social Science to Standard 8th. So students, I will divide these chapters into two parts. First part is lithosphere and hydrosphere. We'll see some information about these two topics. Hi student, today's topic is chapter 2, What is Around Us. So what is the meaning of these chapters? What is around us? So हमारे आसपास क्या होता है? हम किस में रहते हैं? हम स्टूडेंट्स हम सबको पता है कि हम हाथ के ऊपर वी आर लिव, बट वो अर्थ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हुआ कैसे? So first, here's some introduction. Danvin was roaming in the garden with his mother. So Danvin was roaming in the garden with his mother. While walking, a question arose in his mind. So, moment Danvin was walking, so you can think some questions. Danvin asked his mother, "What is land made up of?" So, land कैसे हुआ है, इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कैसे हुआ है और कैसे बना है? मदर रिप्लाइड, डू यू सी द सन एवरी डे? The sun too as the family which is known as the solar family. So the mother is said that, do you see the sun every day? The land is made up of in the solar family. Our earth is one of the members of the solar family. So wherever we lived, so the earth is also one of the members of this family. The most important point is that only earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water and air to sustain living being. सो जितने सोलर फैमिली में जितने भी प्लैनेट्स हैं, सो उसमें से सिर्फ अर्थ ऐसा एक प्लैनेट है जिसमें ह्यूमन बीइंग्स लिव कर सकते हैं, रह सकते हैं. सो अर्थ में हमको टेम्परेचर्स, वाटर, एयर सब कुछ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के हिसाब से यहाँ पे है. Generally, it is believed that part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision, so is earth. At the time of this origin, it was in the form of fireball. So when the earth was origin, so it's like a fireball. This fireball started to cool down slowly. After some time, this fireball will be started cool down slowly. Many elements of the earth got transferred into liquid and further into solid form. So in the earth, many elements are transferred into liquid into solid form. During this process, the elements which got transformed into solid are known as lithosphere. So in this process, the elements which get transformed solid is known as lithosphere. Solid means hardest particles. The elements which got transferred into liquid are known as hydrosphere. Liquid means water. So जो वाटर के साथ ट्रांसफर हो रहा है उसका नेम है हाइड्रोस्फीयर. द एलिमेंट्स विच ट्रांसफर इनटू गैस केम टू बी नोन एज एटमॉस्फेयर. जो गैस के थ्रू ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, हवा में जा रहा है, सो उसको बोलते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as biosphere. Above all, the living world which developed, जो अर्थ में डेवलप हो रहा है लिविंग के लिए, लैंड, वाटर एंड एयर इज नोन एज बायोस्फीयर. In this way, four spheres came into existence on Earth. So in this way process, अर्थ में फोर स्पीयर्स फॉर्म हुआ है. सो हियर सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ द फोर स्पीयर. फर्स्ट वन इज एटमॉस्फेयर. सो यहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर में आप देख सकते हैं हवा में जो होते हैं गैसेस। नेक्स्ट इज बायोस्फीयर, जहाँ पे सब रहते हैं, एनिमल्स और एंड लिविंग थिंग्स सब कुछ। नेक्स्ट वन इज हाइड्रोस्फीयर, जब वाटर्स में एनिमल्स रहते हैं। एंड लास्ट इज लिथोस्फीयर्स, जहाँ अर्थ में सॉलिड एंड पार्टिकल्स, रॉक एंड पार्टिकल्स है, वो गर्ल ह्यूमन बींग्स सब रहते हैं, तो इट्स कॉल्ड अ लिथोस्फीयर। So first we will start lithosphere. The sphere on which we live is known as lithosphere. जहाँ पे हम लेते हैं स्पीयर्स में, it is called a lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer. Rock means पत्थर होते हैं और sphere means जो ऊपर लेयर होता है सैंड का, so it's called a sphere. The upper layer of the earth is made up of soil. The upper, जो top of the layer है, so it's made up of soil. And solid materials like rock. Solid materials जो जैसे होते हैं वो rock बहुत hardest होते हैं. Approximately 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with lithosphere. So it's not a, ये परमानेंट नहीं है, बट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हैं. 29 ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ इज कवर्ड विथ लिथोस्फीयर. This layer is almost 64 kilometer to 100 kilometer thick. So the thickness of the layer is 64 to 100 kilometer thickness. The thickness of the lithosphere is not the same everywhere on the earth. So students, आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि सब जगह में जो लिथोस्फीयर का थिकनेस है वो सेम नहीं होता है. सो वो एरिया के कई जगह थोड़ा अंदर लिथोस्फीयर रॉक्स और सैंड सब कुछ थोड़ा अंदर होगा, कई जगह थोड़ा ऊपर ज़्यादा होगा. सो प्लेस के हिसाब से लिथो थिकनेस भी उसका चेंज हो रहा है. Similarly, their interior and exterior do not have identical physical features. It is mostly made up of substance like soil and rocks. So lithosphere is mostly made up of soils and rocks. So landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys are seen on the lithosphere. So in the lithosphere we will see rocks, mountains, valleys, plateaus, etc. These are the pictures of these mountains, rocks and valleys. So these all, so ये सब कुछ हम लिथोस्फीयर अर्थ में देख सकते हैं. The temperature increase as we move towards the center of the earth. The temperature increases. So अर्थ में द टेम्परेचर क्या इंक्रीज डिक्रीज दोनों प्रॉपरली हो, इंक्रीज भी होगा, कभी कभी डिक्रीज भी होगा टेम्परेचर. द मोल्टन रॉक्स इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ आर नोन एज मैग्मा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, you can hear that what is the meaning of magma. So I will show some pictures of the magma. So it is called a magma. So जहाँ पे वॉल्केनो फट रहे हैं, सो उसके अंदर से जो हीट बाहर आ रहा है तो उसको बोलते हैं मैग्मा, वॉल्केनिक एरप्शन. There are many gases present in the interior of the earth which rise up with pressure and heat. So there are many gases are present in the earth which have many pressures and heat. but the pressure of rocks of the surface of the earth is equally strong. But the surface of the earth are equally strong. Thus, balance between the two is maintained so that the rocks and pressures of the earth are maintained. So the crust of the earth does not break. So इसलिए earth में जो crust of the earth it does not break. When the balance between the two is not maintained, the crust breaks and volcano erupts. जब दोनों का बैलेंस प्रॉपरली नहीं हो रहा है तब वो वॉल्केनो क्रस्ट हो सकता है और ब्रेक भी होगा तो उसमें से वॉल्केनिक एरप्शंस फॉर्म होगा. So last is it is the way to form a volcanic eruptions. जब प्रेशर्स अर्थ में ज़्यादा हो रहा है तब वॉल्केनिक मैग्मा ब्रेक्स होगा. Next one is hydrosphere. So hydrosphere is mainly in water. Now let me talk to you about hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is a liquid component of the earth. So students, you have to know that hydrosphere is a liquid component. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. On the surface surface of the earth, the area of water is more than that of land. So in the earth, the area of water is more than that of land. As compared to the land, the area of water is more. Hydrosphere covers 71 percentage of the Earth's surface. So hydrosphere of covers in our Earth is 71 percentage. A water body in hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water is known as ocean. A water body in hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water जहाँ पे हाइड्रोस्फीयर कैरीज कर रहे ह्यूज वेरी अमाउंट ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इज नोन एज ओशियन. These oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. These four oceans are the main importance of the in our India world. All these oceans are connected with each other. So ये सब कुछ oceans एक दूसरे के connected है. The water bodies close to the land are known as seas, bays, straits, gulfs, etc. The ocean on the earth are huge and deep. So the oceans on the earth is very huge and in deep it's under. Valleys with depth of 10 to 11 kilometers are located at their bottom. The ocean bed has similar features like that of the surface of the earth. It has high mountains, plateaus, vast plains, valleys, etc. So the ocean is covered with the high mountains, plateaus, vast plains, valleys, etc. These are the features of the ocean fed in the earth. Mummy, how much water will there be in the sea? Since sea water is salty, it is useful to us. So it's question to our mom that sea water is very salty. How it is useful to us? So mom is replied that yes, ocean contains ocean contain 97 percentage of the total amount of water on the earth. So yes, ocean contains 97 percentage of the total amount of water. Approximately one third of remaining water is dropped in ice caps and glaciers. So apart from that, one third part of water is trapped in ice caps and glaciers at poles, Himalayas and other mountains. So one third जो part remaining water है वहाँ वो water Himalayas and other sites में form हो रहा है. Some water is accumulated in the lakes and some flows in the rivers and some is stored in the interior of earth as groundwater. Apart from that, remaining water is accumulated in the lakes, rivers, stored in the interior of the earth. Lakes, rivers, and interior of the groundwater. The amount of potable water is less. It means fit for drinking water is less. Fresh water is precious. This fresh water is required by living being for their existence. So the remaining fresh water is required for living things, animals, and all of them, etc. The moisture for rain, which is the main source of fresh water, comes from the oceans only. So the main source of fresh water the main source of fresh water is rains comes from the oceans only. Valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, etc. are found in the seas. So these are the valuable chemicals are found in seas water. As we have living organisms on the land, in the same way, the seas and oceans have aquatic life inside them. जैसे हम लैंड में रहते हैं वैसे सेम टू सेम सीज एंड ओशंस जो पानी के अंदर एनिमल्स रहते हैं इट्स कॉल्ड aquatic animals inside in the water. The tremendous force of waves, tides, and currents of oceans are potential sources for generating electricity. So we have produced the electricity with the help of the water. Besides, these oceans are also useful as waterways. Apart from that, these oceans are also useful in the waterways. So students, we have living in our earth, the water is very important. So without water we can live, but it's not a permanent. So water is the main source of energy. So the fresh water is comes from the ocean only.